Everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we've got a special treat. We're going to be making this creamy cilantro lime dip that's perfect for entertaining family and friend get-togethers, and it's even good for putting in that lunchbox. Let's go see how this all comes together. Today we're going to be making a creamy cilantro and lime dip that I thought would be perfect to put in the lunchbox with those fresh cut vegetables that we prepped for our back to school. And it's super easy to make this. You really can mix this up with just about any flavors you like, but today we're going to go with a southwestern theme, and we're going to do a cilantro lime flavor. And it's all starting with 2 cups of sour cream. I have the juice and zest of 1 lime, about 1/4 cup of finely minced cilantro, and 2 green onions that have been minced up, white and green parts, 1 clove of minced garlic, and I have 2 teaspoons of my favorite southwestern kind of seasoning that I buy in the store. This is called Badia Sazon Tropical. I buy it in the south, like the Latin section of the grocery store, and where I live, I buy it at Food Lion because they have the best selection of this particular brand. I also have several other things that I buy from this particular company. If you want to know about those, let me know, and I will do a video. I'll do like my top 6 list I did for my Seged spices, and I've recently learned that that's how you have to say it. So anyway, we're gonna mix this up. It's gonna be super easy, and today we're gonna just go ahead and serve this in a little tray with some corn chips and some fresh vegetables. So just get your sour cream in your bowl, and then we're just going to add everything in there with it. There goes our lime zest, our cilantro, green onion, and you can adjust these things up or down depending on your particular taste. If you don't like fresh garlic, we normally don't like raw garlic, but today I'm gonna go for it because it's gonna add 2 different levels of flavor. There's garlic in that seasoning as well. Lime juice and our seasoning blend. Then just mix it all up. This is gonna be really good if you let it sit in the fridge for a couple of hours before you serve it. Just like any other dip, everything's gonna have time to mingle and meld, and it's gonna be delicious. It smells really good already. This is like, you know, a little Latin riff on a green onion dip. If you've ever had green onion dip, it's really awesome. I'm gonna get this into a serving dish, and I'll be right back and I'll show you what it looks like. There you have it. I set this up for everyone with the dip in a little bowl inside of another bowl where I have some fresh veggies and some corn tortilla chip, and now we're just ready to have a party. So are you ready to try this?
I have to.
Yeah, let's try it. What do you think?
Good. The cilantro doesn't overpower. You can tell it's there, but it doesn't overpower.
It's really good. Just enough lime. It's not too tangy. It's nice and creamy. And it's the perfect foil for veggies or chips. This would even be good served in a baked potato. That would really be good. You could even serve this in a pepper shell if you wanted to. It would be really pretty. I've made this very mild. It has no spice in it at all. If you want to pump this up a little and give it a little heat, you can add a chopped jalapeno, or you can add a really finely diced chipotle pepper. The sour cream is going to take down that heat level a little for you. But no matter what you choose, you could even use some jalapeno powder if you have that, or you could use some Tabasco if that's what you have on hand. That's going to add a nice vinegary edge to this, and everybody is going to love that. So if you like your dips a little bit on the spicy side, you could make this and then cut it in half and do half mild and half spicy. Up to you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my kitchen, welcome. Always a pleasure to welcome new friends in. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you are a tried and true member of the Noreen's Kitchen family, please make sure that you hit the bell notification button and set your home page on YouTube to your subscription feed so that no one misses out on the real food for real people, real easy recipes that we present all the time right here on our YouTube channel and straight from our kitchen. I hope you give this creamy cilantro and lime dip a try, and I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.